So now if we come over here and print if we print the actual speed one more time, if I say Mercedes and then dot speed, guess what? Let me run and show you what is going to happen. Something amazing is gonna happen. So if you run your script, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna say 50 and then 60 and then 50 one more time. Why is that? We have already increased the speed. So why did the speed go back to 50? The reason is because we did not actually increase the speed of the car permanently. It was just temporarily, because here I increased the speed here by adding 10 and then I returned the value, but I did not increase the speed itself. I did not store, in other words, let me here type, I did not store the new speed in the speed property, meaning that the speed is going to always go back to the initial speed, which is 50. So how can we fix this? If you want to increase the speed permanently, you need to say here self dot speed and then equals to self dot speed plus 10. So what does this mean? This means that, hey Python, give me the initial speed and then add 10 to it and then store the new value in the speed in the actual speed property of the class. Now if I return, let me now return the if I return the speed, if I return the self that speed, what's gonna happen if I refresh, if I run my script? If I run my script, guess what? If I run my script, I'm gonna get 50 and then 60 and then 60. So the speed now has been changed permanently. So here the initial speed is 50 and then I increased the speed by calling the increase speed function, and then finally I called the speed property one more time and it returned the same speed, the same increased speed.